Hello student, in this video we talk about how to use the particles effect in Filmora 13, right? So open your Filmora and drag and drop your video projects, right? And then click on the video effects and then search here the particle. So click on the particle, right? And I have already downloaded particles effect, right? And then drag and drop the particle. So right particle on this portion, and now I use this particle on this portion and this particle on this portion, right? You have cut your trim or cut your videos, right? Or direct apply this particles, right? And now right, and it is already applied, right? So this four types of particles, right? First I select this particle, and from here I increase the speed, increase the amount, right? And the angle, right? And the capacity, right? I also select it, right? The speed, the amount and the angle, and then the capacity, right? From here the speed, amount, quantity, already three, the maximum the three. Color red, so I choose it the yellow. Color dash, and I choose it the white, and then I choose it the green, right? Capacity, okay, select it, choose color, I choose that color, right? And amount increase the speed, fire intensity, right? And capacity is okay. Now I render my video for smooth playback, and then I watch this video, right, on the full screen. So we have just wait for rendering the preview, right? Now I play my video on the full screen, right, and watch it. So dear student, in this video we learn how to use the particle effects in your video in Filmora 13. Thanks for watching.